All right, ladies and gentlefolks, we are going to replace the battery on a Leitner wireless headband model headset. To do that, first go ahead and go to the bottom of the headset. You're going to see the battery door here with a small gap. As you can see, I've freshly cut my fingernails, so I don't have much to go with, but this is super easy. You're just going to find the little gap here at the side of the battery door, stick your fingernail in there, and pull toward you gently. The door should come off. Now you can use gravity and your fingers to grab the battery and pull that gently out. And you'll notice when you've got the battery out that the battery has a side that says Leitner and has an arrow on it with little contacts at the top. When you go to put the battery back into the headset or a new battery in, simply line that arrow up and the word Leitner on the side with the Leitner focus light, the arrow pointing in, slide the battery back in, slide your battery door back on, and voila, you're done.